everyone, it's nice to see you again. Welcome to our new episode of Let's Learn Science with Teacher Ninette. In this episode of video, we will learn about what is sound. What is sound? I want you to close your eyes and don't make a sound. Now, can you tell me what can you hear? What direction is it coming from? Is it loud or quiet? Is it high-pitched or a deep, low sound? Do you like the sound? Do you have drums in your house? If you have, this activity is perfect for you. If you don't have drums, it's okay. You can ask mom and dad to make you an improvised drum. Let's do the dancing rice. Put some grains of rice on a drum and gently strike the drum. And then I want you to observe what happens and why. The vibration from the drum caused the rice to dance around. It is this vibration that let us hear the sound of the drum. Vibrations. Sound is made when an object vibrates. Press your fingers to your throat, like this. And talk to a friend. Can you feel the vibration in your throat? Or strike a tuning fork or percussion instrument and then touch it gently with your finger. Can you feel it vibrating? Vibrations. These vibrations travel through the air until they reach our ears. These traveling vibrations are called sound waves. Do you still remember the parts of your ears? Sound waves, air vibrates and moves toward the ear. First, to our outer ear, and then pass through our ear canal, and then reach the eardrum. The vibrating air caused the eardrum to vibrate. And then this part here is the inner bone, or the inner ear bones. The vibrating eardrum makes the inner ear bones move like levers. And this part of our ear, the cochlea, the bone's movement transferred to fluid which moves hairs, and then travel to our auditory nerve. The auditory nerve carries electrical messages to the brain, and our brain interprets what we hear. Amazing, right? String telephone. You can experiment with sound waves by making your own telephone. Connect two plastic cups with the length of a string. Experiment with the length of string to see if you can still hear the sounds. Like this. And tell me if you can hear the sound using this experiment. That's all for today, class, and I hope you learned something new about sound. See you again to our next video. Goodbye!